Montana. From the imposing mountain ranges and immense national forests to the rolling green hills, rivers, and valleys between. Known as the Treasure State, endearingly nicknamed by prospectors and fur traders for its tremendous sparkling mountains. As far as nicknames go, our personal favorite is Big Sky Country. Whereas the sky is the limit for most, Montana raises the barrier and broadens the horizons. From the crystal clear waters and mighty rivers that feed them, to stoic mountain formations and the glaciers that shaped them. Join us as we explore and discover 10 of the best places to visit in this awe-inspiring journey through Big Sky Country. 1. Bozeman. Located in southwestern Montana, surrounded by gorgeous mountain ranges, and boasted as an outdoor lover's playground. This small town, with a population of just over 50,000 residents, and lovingly nicknamed by locals, the last best place, is a refreshing retreat and a fantastic jumping-off point for visitors wanting to experience the historic culture and pristine mountain landscapes of Gallatin County's breathtaking scenery. With endless outdoor recreational activities, and just a short drive to captivating adventures, such as the Yellowstone National Park and the Gallatin Gateway, thousands of nature lovers and tourists frequent Bozeman and its delightful community for a relaxing experience, and its proximity to some of the best wilderness adventures and awe-inspiring views Montana has to offer. 2. Glacier National Park. Located in northwestern Montana, on the border of Canada and the United States, this monumental park encompasses more than 1 million acres of timeless wilderness and glacial remnants of the Ice Age. Known as the highlight of the crown of the continent ecosystem, a region of protected landscape spanning 16,000 square miles, with more than 1,000 different species of flora and fauna, millions of nature lovers flock to the alluring call of one of North America's most breathtaking and abundant national parks. As a subrange of the Rocky Mountains, Glacier National Park was formed by tectonic plates forced up through the Earth's crust, somewhere in the range of 170 million years ago, creating the monumental mountain formations and exposing sedimentary rock layers, considered today to be some of the finest examples of early life fossils on Earth. 3. Helena. Located in the heart of Big Sky Country, with a population of just over 30,000 residents, Helena, Montana is a refreshing Rocky Mountain retreat, with incredible architectures and historic culture. Founded as a gold mining camp in 1864, Helena would go on to become the state capital and home to gold rush prospectors in search of fortune and glory. With its unique Victorian architecture, decorating the city districts, and surrounding mountain landscapes, the horizons in this historic city are some of the most beautiful scenic views in all of Montana. The Cathedral of St. Helena, located in the downtown district, is a neo-Gothic-style cathedral which was constructed in 1908 and exhibits gorgeous Gothic architectural features, like its rolling arches and handmade stained glass windows. With nearby national parks, scenic hiking trails, and pristine bodies of crystal clear water, outdoor lovers can enjoy an abundant array of recreational activities year-round. 4. Gallatin National Forest. Spanning more than 3.4 million acres in southwest Montana, this protected landscape is a home to a diverse ecosystem and supports an abundant array of wildlife species. The mountain ranges in Gallatin Forest are some of the most imposing formations in North America, with summits reaching altitudes of 12,800 feet and towering over the vibrant valleys, plains, and rivers. Bordering the Custer National Forest and Yellowstone Preserve, Gallatin Forest is an immense experience all its own for nature enthusiasts and intrepid travelers looking to escape into the vast wonder of such phenomenal habitats. 5. Going to the Sun Road. a 50-mile-long stretch of pavement and mystique in northern Montana, and splitting the Continental Divide. This spectacular stretch of road is a scenic route through sections of Glacier Mountain Park, and is considered to be the most beautiful scenic drive in North America. Residing at a staggering elevation of more than 6,600 feet, and receiving more than 80 inches of snow annually, visitors frequent this mystifying mountain pass primarily in the summers, when weather conditions allow. With numerous scenic rest areas, and breathtaking views of the summits such as going to the Sun Mountain, for which the road received its name, a country drive has never been so captivating. Strap in and enjoy the ride. 6. Iceberg Lake. One of the most frequented experiences in Montana's enormous Glacier National Park is a cirque outlet just off the beaten path at the end of a moderate 9-mile hiking trail. Considered to be one of the most breathtaking experiences in the park, outdoor lovers bring friends and family year-round to this majestic outcropping of Ice Age remnants. With its peak, towering more than 3,000 feet above the lake, standing at the base of this gorgeous geological formation is absolutely staggering. Adventurers making their way through Glacier Park can stop and enjoy the immense walls and crystal-clear waters, for a timeless experience they'll never forget. 7. Kootenai National Forest. Encompassing 2.2 million acres of rugged terrain, in the beautiful Rocky Mountains of northwest Montana, the Kootenai National Forest provides tremendous opportunity for exploration. The Kootenai Falls are a breathtaking experience for all, boasted as one of the forest's premier scenic locations. The rapid decline in elevation to the Kootenai River results in one of the most incredible waterfalls in North America. With endless recreational activities such as hiking and biking, river rafting, and more, this spectacular protected landscape is that perfect blend of pristine wilderness that calls to outdoor lovers from well beyond Montana's border. The forests are vibrant with color and life, and the waterways through the mountains are a compelling sight that inspire visitors to reconnect with Mother Nature. 8. Whitefish. This small mountain retreat, known as a winter wonderland and ski resort town in the Rocky Mountains of northwest Montana, has a population of less than 10,000 and welcomes visitors year-round to enjoy its down-home feel and powder-covered slopes. Surrounded by immense peaks, vibrant forests, and beautiful lakes, winters in the town of Whitefish are a captivating and refreshing change of pace from the busy world back home. The town has an inviting allure, with plenty of shops and boutiques for the city lovers, and boasted as having one of the top ski resorts in the country. Tourists can enjoy endless mountain slopes, pristine manicured trails, and fresh powder all winter long. It's not hard to see why people flock to this magnificent snow lovers' hideaway, for a vacation holiday experience for the whole family. 9. Flathead Lake. This immense body of water is one of the largest freshwater lakes in North America, with a staggering diameter of more than 27 miles long and 15 miles wide. The views here are endless, and the waters are clear. Located in the northwest corner of Montana, and calling to visitors year-round, this glacial remnant is an awe-inspiring look at the beauty and wonder of Mother Nature. With abundant recreational activities in the area, visitors enjoy fishing for 20-pound rainbow trout and pike, as well as the scenic forest trails and maintained camping locations that cover the 185-mile shoreline. For outdoor lovers wishing to explore the best Montana has to offer, it doesn't get any prettier than Flathead Lake. 10. Lewis and Clark Caverns State Park. Officially discovered in 1892 by a group of hunters and founded as Montana's first state park, this stoic cave system is one of the largest known limestone caverns in the world. Visitors with an interest in the subterranean can explore the depths of the caverns via guided tours and learn all about the geological formations found within. with perfectly preserved cave formations, such as the pristine stalactites and stalagmites throughout the cavern, as well as lighting and hand-guarded walkways throughout the park. This is one exploration adventure you won't find anywhere else in the world. Thank you for watching our top 10 best places to visit in Montana. How did we do? Did you enjoy the list? If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more content. Leave a comment below with your thoughts, or if there's anything you think we missed. Until next time. Bye-bye.